Guys, welcome to Maverick Forex channel. Here I will explain my strategy to you and post my trades. After testing thousands of strategies, I came up with this method. I will also post all the previous strategies and paths I took that were not profitable or I could not make a profit. If you have any suggestions or questions, be sure to tell me in the comments. Let's go. Very important point. I had been dreaming for several years. Looking for big profits with a small account. Looking for a strategy that would always make me profit. After about 13 years and losing a lot of money, I came up with this strategy I named the strategy save, which means the priority is to protect money, then make a profit. Suggestions for success. This tutorial is not a movie that you watch like a clip. This strategy requires market research and analysis. So please open your broker and at the same time review the things. That said. Time frame 15 minutes time GMT plus 2 o'clock, of course. If you learn the analysis completely after watching the videos, you can trade in the desired time frame. Based on the provided data, step-by-step institutional trade analysis, EUR, USDM 15, as of the 8th of December 2025 6:45, and the comprehensive trade journal according to the SAVE strategy. Step 1. Context reconstruction. What happened before? Greater than goal. Understand the macrostructural narrative, the institutional story, liquidity sweep on December 5th, 1800 to 1815. Price dropped from 1.16481 to 1.16322 to 1.16282. This is a textbook institutional. Stop run below prior support, 1.16350. Designed to trigger retail sell stops before reversing. Post-sweep behavior, December 5th, 1830, December 8th. 0-100, price did not make a lower low, formed a higher low, HL, at 1.16282. Market entered a tight 24-plus-hour consolidation between 1.1628 to 1.1655. With declining accumulation behavior. Key insight from journal. Greater than after deep liquidity sweeps, e.g., the 5th of December 2025, the 19th of November 2025. The highest probability longs occur when price holds the HL and retests the breakout base cleanly. Conclusion. Institutional trap completed. Market primed for bullish continuation. Step 2. Structural integrity check goal. Confirm higher time frame. HTF. Structure supports long bias. Swing low, December 5th. 1815, 1.16282 unbroken. Swing high, December 4th, 1030, 1.16801 still valid resistance. Recent structure, December 8th, Asian session, 6:45 to 6:30. Price held greater than 1.1650. Forming higher highs and higher lows on M15 to 6:30 candle. Close equals 1.16542 above prior resistance. 1.16535. Conclusion. Bullish structure intact. No bearish break. HL preserved. 3. Order flow analysis goal. Detect institutional absorption versus retail noise. Time context, December 8th. 0-100 to 2 o'clock overnight quiet, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock 275 institutional buying begins 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock 6:15 to 6:30. Conclusion. Step 4. Price action and zone validation goal. Identify and validate the demand zone. Breakout base, resistance on December 4th, 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 1.16550 to 1.16560. Breakout on December 8th, 0445. High equals 1.16541, tests resistance 5 o'clock. Breaks to 16,555 to 6:30. Closes at 1.16542, confirms breakout. Retest zone. 1.16525 to 1.16540 equals former resistance. Now support. Price retested this zone cleanly, 6:15 to 6:30, with no rejection wicks conclusion. Classic retest right pointing arrow confirmation sequence. Zone respected as support. Step 5. Journal cross validation. Pattern matching. Greater than goal. Compare with historical high probability setups. Journal entry date similarity. The 5th of December 2025, 8:15, December 5th, post sweep, right pointing arrow HL, right pointing arrow retest, right pointing arrow 306 vol, right pointing arrow TP1, right pointing arrow TP3, hit the 26th of November 2025, 6:45, November 26th, breakout, right pointing arrow shallow retest. Right pointing arrow low vol pullback, right pointing arrow TP1 hit the 19th of November 2025, 6:45, November 19th, post 320 pip drop, right pointing arrow HL, right pointing arrow direct close above 1.15800, right pointing arrow TP1 hit key commonality. Greater than all winners had 1. Intact HL after sweep. 2. Expansion on move plus contraction on retest. 3. Clean zone respect. Conclusion. Current setup matches winning templates, not trap patterns. Step 6. Entry logic and risk parameters goal. Define precise execution rules. Entry zone. 1.16525 to 1.16540, rationale. Retest of breakout base plus prior resistance turns support. Stop loss. 1.16485 below 630 low, 1.16532 and 545 low, 1.16500. Protects against false breakouts. Take profits. TP1 to 1.16610, December 4th, 7:30 plus 8:45 swing high. TP2 to 1.16650. Psychological plus December 4th. 9:45 micro resistance. TP3 to 1.16700 plus. Institutional liquidity pool, December 4th, 1300 highs. Risk reward, 1.3.5 plus. 5 pip SL, 18 plus pip TP3. Step 7. Confirmation trigger goal. Define what constitutes a valid signal confirmed when all of the following occurred. 1. Structure. HL at 1.16282, unbroken right pointing arrow 2. Side. Ion rally. Ion retest right pointing arrow 3. Price. Closed above 1.16535 on 6:30, candle 4. Zone. Retested 1.16525 to 1.16540 without rejection right pointing arrow 5. Context. Post liquidity sweep environment right pointing arrow 6. Journal match. Aligns with winning setups, e.g. the 5th of December 2025. Right pointing arrow result. High conviction institutional long signal step 8. Execution and outcome. Entry. 1.16535 at 6:45 candle open, within zone, outcome. TP1. 1.16610. Right pointing arrow hit within 30 minutes. TP3. 1.16700. Right pointing arrow exceeded. Price reached 1.16718. Why it worked. Institutions absorbed supply in retest zone. No traps right pointing arrow clean candles. Strong closes. Liquidity above 1.16650 was targeted. Stop hunt. Step 9. Post-trade reflection. From journal perspective, what was right? Waited for structural plus PA confluence. Avoided FOMO, right pointing arrow entered only after retest. SL placement respected microstructure. What to improve? Consider partial hold beyond TP1 when. Extension candle. TP1 hit in less than 2 candles. No upper wicks, right pointing arrow shows momentum strength. Final summary. The institutional footprint this trade succeeded because it followed the core institutional playbook. Greater than sweep liquidity, right pointing arrow. Accumulate quietly, right pointing arrow. Break structure, right pointing arrow. Retest with respect, right pointing arrow. Accelerate into liquidity. Every element, right pointing arrow, from the December 5th sweep to the December 8th retest, right pointing arrow, fit this sequence perfectly. And the journal provided the pattern memory to recognize it. This is not luck. It's professional institutional price action reading, grounded in 30 years of market mechanics. Let me know if you'd like this as a visual flowchart or checklist for future trades. I am very happy that you watched my educational video until the end. I hope you are satisfied. For future content, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and send it to your friends. Post your questions, suggestions, and criticisms in the comments at Maverick_Forex _.